all of you that put your trust in that native doctor or as a one that are doing spiritual work for you, assuming this is a juju that native doctor gave to you. This juju is for protection. This juju is for prosperity. This juju is for one thing or the other. And all your trust, all your hope is in this juju that native doctor gave to you. And this juju is doing many things for you. And this juju is protecting you. And now you hear the news that that native doctor don't die. And you know that you have many enemies. And enemies are following you 24 hours in a day. You will start shaking. Immediately you hear that that native doctor that gave you this juju have died. You start shaking. You start be afraid. Because you know that when your enemy will come, your enemy will defeat you. Because the power has destroyed. Juju have disappointed many people. There are some people that are carrying drug. And native doctor will tell them they should cross, they should go. That the Lord is clear. And when they will go, they will hold them at airport. Because they believe in that native doctor. They believe in that juju. But unknown to them that that juju will disappoint them. There are some people that carry ODAC. If they shouldn't come, it will not enter. But all of a sudden, the juju will fail them. They shouldn't come, the gun will enter, they will die. Juju will fail you, but Jesus will not fail you. Juju will disappoint you at any time. Juju will disappoint you when you are not expect. We are serving a living God. Malachi 3:6, the Lord said that I am the Lord, I change it not. We are serving a living God. Come and put your trust in God. Come and put your trust in God. And God Almighty will never disappoint you.